Okay guys, today in this video we're going to unbox this. I bought a large pack for doing Uber delivery and it's humongous. This is the box, it's insane. I got this on Amazon. Oh my god, it's big, but look at this. They could have saved some money and shipped it in a very different box. Cut this. It's like a burlap sack. You know, one thing I noticed is that all the bags for Uber delivery, Uber Eats and food delivery are black. I actually would like to have some very high vis stuff, but they do not have any. This is the metal rack. We're gonna have to install that on our bikes. This thing is quite massive. And there we go. That's the pack. I'm not exactly sure. It looks pretty sturdy, good construction. That's the bottom part. Yeah, this is insane. It's super big. What I like about this is that it loads this way. And inside here you have some additional stuff. Oh, that's kind of clever. This is a drink holder, and it's got Velcro on the side. That way you can kind of clip it. We'll check this out later as we move on. And then we have some sort of brochure. My PCX. The top box goes here. Quite a difference, and I don't want the bag to interfere with this because this is very useful. Quite ugly, quite an ugly rack. Maybe here, but I don't think that this is going to work. What I might do is actually zip tie it. But what we want to do, if you want to make sure that this is very nicely padded, I might do that. Just put some sort of padding down. And then figure out where the holes are. Let's center this perfectly. And I think that should work. So I'm going to put one right here. That's pretty darn good. Let's clamp this stuff down. This is the biggest bag that they have. And this is the way it mounts. Look at this. That is humongous. Let's go ahead and close this. The inside, bundle it, and then we'll have to tighten all four of these. Right in here. This is going to be mostly my Uber Eats scooter, so I might strap it down for safety wise with some zip ties. Fairly impressed with the quality. And so this is one on the side, one here, and I believe there's another way to use this, and it's got on each corner a way of attaching Velcro, so you can make shelves. Zipper here, and this goes up and down all around, and the way I believe this is going to work, we're going to start with this side. Tight fit. Okay, and now our cup holder right in there. Brilliant. And another really nice thing about this, I mean, remember, I've only been doing this just for a couple of times. I do like this. It doesn't open all the way, so it's not going to just go all the way down. So you might want to keep it like this. Here you go, guys. This is the larger box you can get for food delivery. I'll put a link in the description below. It's got a pocket here with Velcro. And you can just put whatever in here. I think what I'll put is some tape. Sometimes when you're like carrying drinks, they might spill. What I liked about this particular model is that it opens like this, so you can like put stuff in there. You could put this anywhere. You can divide it right down the middle if you wanted. And I think most people might do it like this. I believe it's this way. Just put it in at the very bottom. So if you are, it is nice to have a division. This actually kind of helps with absorption as far as like some vibration. You could also do this, put it all the way down if you wanted. One of the complaints I hear, and it's already kind of annoying, is these straps and the zipper. So you put it in, you have to kind of like fish this right in there. It's kind of annoying. And the zippers are not the best quality. These bags should come as fluorescent colors as well. I would get that over this because it's black, it's dark, and a lot of the delivery drivers, they do this stuff at night. You want to be seen. This is just not enough, I think. It needs to have more reflectors or change the color of this. This is ridiculous. It's kind of dangerous. But there was no option to get a different color bag. This left side, you have another pocket with Velcro. On this side, you have a strap with reflectors and a little chest strap here, a belly strap. One thing I wanted to try and do is keep this so I can open the seat, but you can see it's already kind of annoying. This is, I believe, the largest bag from PackR. So food delivery expert, www.packr.com. I'll put a link in the description. I'm a fan of top-loading saddle cases, but not in this case. I kind of like this because you always get the food from the back. So that's it. That's the little PCX with an extremely large pack. The next thing I'm going to do is do a review using this as a food delivery vehicle. So stay tuned for that. I'm kind of enjoying like the food delivery thing. But in order to make sense with delivery, you need a small scooter that gets 100 miles to the gallon. There's no way you're going to make any money delivering on an FJR, but I will try it on the FJR as well. All right, guys, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.